Let's be honest, I think it's always difficult to disagree with Albert Einstein, especially when it comes to sort of thinking logically. Now, Einstein said the definition of insanity is doing something over and over again and expecting different results. It's a great quote, but what does it mean to us? Well, think about your life. Now, I would say that most of us are fairly happy with most of our lives most of the time. You know, hopefully we have enough food to eat, internet access, safe place to live, surrounded by family and friends. So, generally we know that we're kind of quite lucky. However, there might be aspects of our lives that maybe aren't completely fulfilling. And it's those that I'd like to think about here. And this is where the Einstein quote comes in. Health and fitness is an obvious example. Many of us are not as fit and healthy as we would like to be. So think about your goal for health and fitness. You know, many of us would like to maybe like run faster, run further, be a bit fitter, be a bit stronger, be a bit lighter, a bit slimmer. So think about what your goal is. You know, many of us would just like to lose a few kilograms. So ask yourself, what have you been doing over and over again, which is getting you the result where you are now? Simply repeating the pattern that you're in now, the state of health and fitness that you're in now, is if you keep continuing that, nothing's going to change. Yet many of us sort of hope that we keep doing the same thing and we'll get a different result. So it's very important to think about that. Think about small changes that you can make to move you closer to the goal. Doing the same thing has got you where you are now, but it won't get you to where you want to be in the future. So ask yourself, what can I do in the future to make me more successful, to make me happier, to move me towards my goal, to make me feel more satisfied with my life? So remember, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. So what changes will you make to get the results that you want?